I was about to go change right before I started this, and then I decided, nah, this is me in all my glory. I just got done going to Las Marietas, eating dinner on the palapa, and hanging out by the pool while my madre made me a delightful non-alcoholic beverage because I haven't been drinking for a couple of years, but I was about to go get changed while I was daydreaming about business tips that your regular coach doesn't tell you. And I thought, why? I always say to show up vulnerably, show up authentically. Well, this is me in Mexico coming to you in front of Frida, who I also have tattooed on my arm. Other things you didn't know about your traditional business coach / Christian bestie, right? Here we go. 3 to 5 tips. I'm saying 3 to 5 because oftentimes if I start with 3, I end up elaborating. If I started with 5 and then I went under, I'm giving myself some wiggle room, okay? So here we are. 3 business tips that your traditional business coach would never tell you. First off, it's less about time management and more about time protection. And I say it is everything. Your whole life. Everyone is so worried about this work-life balance. You guys, does it look like I have it figured out? I don't, but guess what? I am overflowing. My time is abundant. I approach my time as if it is mine and not somebody else's, regardless of what my schedule says. Recognizing this is so critical. Protect your time. If you protect yourself first, you're gonna protect your community when it's time for them to do the thing you want them to do. I am all about family. I am all about friends. I am all about faith and adventure and travel. And if I didn't protect my time, I couldn't be showing up for you right now in this very moment. So here I am, and here you are, protecting your time over something that is pouring into you rather than detracting from you. Number 2, are you ready? This one is all from this week, and it's God is so good. He's so good that I didn't get changed, and this is number 2. Even in the rest, even in the refresh, he is building. So imagine this, I'm beachside, getting a massage, and I tell you all of this not to show a fancy lifestyle or gloat, but to show you as a travelpreneur that you can too. You literally can do exactly what I'm doing. I've met with clients all week. My community has gotten together this week. We've had team meetings this week. I've had new intro calls this week. I'm still doing all the things. I miss my babies and I will see them tomorrow, mañana, para right now, I don't know. Anyway, but right now I'm practicing my Spanish and I'm showing up for you. So imagine I'm on the ocean. I hear just the beautiful waves. I'm getting a massage next to my mom. I told you already about the passing of her mom, my Nana. And so this trip has been all around protecting our time because I wanted to protect her mental health, right? Purpose time. So I'm getting a massage and I'm trying to just tune in. I'm not very good at meditating. If you couldn't imagine that about me, I'm kind of like, go, go, go. So tuning in to the waves, and all of a sudden, I start hearing like a dinging hammer and a saw, like a big saw, on buildings that are surrounding us on the other side of the beach. And I tried very hard not to hear them. Tried very hard. And then I thought to myself, if I focus in on the waves, if I fix my focus, which you guys know this coined phrase, this is not my own. If you fix your focus on the thing that you're intending to hear, on the thing that you're intending to do, on the thing that you're intending to bring into your life, manifestation, right? Focusing on the waves allowed me to have this serene realization that I am at rest in this moment. My body isn't moving. My mind was clearly moving, but my body wasn't moving. And God was still building. He's been building my business all week. He's been building my business all year. He's already ahead of me building my business, which leads me exactly to number 3. Actually 4, but I'm skipping to 3. If you follow the Godwinks of your life, if you follow the opportunities that just coincidentally doors open, you meet people, those are called Godwinks. When you're looking for them, when you're on search for them, they show up. So I have this prayer all the time that God, open every door that I'm meant to go into and close every door that I am not. Because what happens, especially as an entrepreneur, shiny light, right? Shiny light. Show me the shiny light, I go to the shiny light. That's not the way we need to operate. So under time protection, right? The first one that we were talking about, under the understanding of rest, you get to step into the Godwink, into the coincidence, into the fruition of His plan over your life simply by being still. And now you know everything about me. It screams stillness. Just kidding. Everything about me screams movement and dancing and fun. However, I believe that there is a combined experience of stillness. It's a stillness of our spirit. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's a stillness of our feet. And complacency, comfort, sitting inside of the boat, being still and watching everyone else launch, propel, be brave, courageously step out of the boat into their calling, doesn't equip you. Not even from a learning perspective of, ooh, they might fall. They might fall. You're right. But that's not your walk. God's already before you in this plan. So I encourage you as an entrepreneur, don't get too comfortable. Don't get complacent. Don't mistake those things for stillness, because stillness is a spirit, a mindset, a heart set towards your life. You must activate. You must get out of the boat. Do the dang thing, right? And realize as you're doing the thing, gotta go back to number one, protect your time. Gotta go back to number two, He's always building, even when you're sleeping. And I am such a proponent for creating automation and systems and hiring a team so people and things are working when you're not working, right? I fully could not do what I'm doing without my team. And I am 1000% open about that with my communities. Because without them, my mind would be about a million miles a minute, like it always is. But they keep me, they actually protect my time. So if you're not good at protecting your time, hire someone who is. Thank you, Janice. Thank you, Jesus. Right? So those are the three. And then one more, because why not? You do not need a big platform to start. When God tells Peter to get out of the boat, He didn't say, hold on, wait, don't get out of the boat until I bring all the other people around. Wait till they're watching. Wait till they're watching, because what happens when Peter gets out of the boat? Confidently, he walks on water, and then he missteps by moving his eyes without fixing his focus, as we talked about before, staying eyes on the prize, eyes on Jesus. He flounders. And guess what? We're gonna flounder in the public eye, but wouldn't it be so much better to flounder in the small with the people who know you intimately and are cheering you on and are ready to see you thrive and are gonna still applaud you when you get to the next place? Start with the one. Emphasize the one in your life. Everything will change. Every business plan that you could possibly make always starts with one person. What do they need? What do they want? What opportunity do they need in order to improve and literally thrive in their life? You might be that opportunity. Your key that you're holding right now in that boat is the key that they need to get out of their own. Do not block somebody else's blessing by not doing these precious things in business. These things that most business coaches don't tell you. I would love to know if one of your business coaches has told you something like this, maybe to another extent, but super focused in on your faith first. I have a 5H founder model that I'll tell you more about another day, but head, heart, home, right? Head, heart, home, health, and handbag. They have to be in order. There's a symmetry that's happening. But if you are pursuing handbag first, you like that, right? Finances, you know, I know the intent. You're gonna jump out of the boat in order for you to have that prosperity and abundance that God has promised for you. That is true. But remember to start small. If God gave you $1 million tomorrow and you haven't been able to tithe the 10% of the 100, or you haven't been able to diligently maintain budget for the 1,000 or the 10,000 or the 100,000, how can he bring you something that you cannot steward? These are nuggets that I hope you hold tight to. I hope you go play with. I hope you focus on. I hope you grow from. I hope you resonate with. And if you do, ring the bell, share the thing, do the thing, point to the links below, whatever. At the end of the day, I love you. You are loved. I see you, and yet you're fully known by God the Father. This is a time for you to rise. But you gotta do these things too, in the process. All right? I'm here to cheer you on. Send me a DM, I'd love to chat.